In this video, I will show you how to create your Noodletools account if you are new to this software. So you're going to click on this Noodletool guy here from our library webpage, and then you will click on the blue register button. You then will be prompted to type in the subscription information for America's High School. So the library username is America's, all of which is lowercase, and the password is library, all of which is lowercase as well. You will then leave the new user registration defaulted at an account linked to a school library. You will also leave defaulted that you are a student. Please choose your expected year of graduation, and then you will create a personal ID. I recommend that you use your ID that was given to you for logging into the computers, just so that it's easier to remember one less username. And same for the password. Use the same password that was assigned to you. For your easy login retrieval, you will type in your initials and then the last 4 digits of your ID number. And now you are ready to start your new project in Noodletools, which I will show you in the next video.